The National Umushyikirano Council is scheduled to take place on February 5 and 6. This year's forum marks over 2 decades since Umushyikirano was launched in 2003. Umushyikirano, provided for under the Constitution of Rwanda, brings together citizens, national leaders, and members of Rwandan diaspora to discuss key issues affecting governance, unity, and national development. This forum is chaired by the President, and it is one of Rwanda's homegrown governance mechanisms designed to strengthen citizen participation and accountability. The dialogue provides a platform to review progress made over the past years, assess decentralization effort, and set policy priorities. It also allows citizens to directly raise concern and propose solutions through in-person participation, phone calls, SMS, and social media. Over the years, Umushyikirano has become a central space for national reflection and problem-solving in Rwanda's development journey. Don't forget to follow EAMG TV on all platforms.